I mean, I'm really trying to make this happen, but like as you already seen, I'm kind of struggling a little bit. Like the forest isn't like super dense, but it's super steep. Like I'm worried about getting home. Like once it starts getting dark and I gotta start coming home, how the hell am I gonna get up this hill? Oh yeah, there's no way this is happening. Look. Look at this cliff. It's a cliff edge. And a river. Doesn't look like this one's happening, buds. Man, I'm so glad I checked though. Well, yeah, I don't even think I can cross that. Shucks my gucks. I might look at some maps some more and see if there's a different way in. I didn't know it was a sheer cliff. Oh man. All right, I got onto the lake. It took some doing, but I'm on the lake and I'm sitting at around I think a 17 foot mark, and then like right over there it's like a 25-foot mark. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so sweaty. I'm so glad I'm finally set up and the snow's coming down. Oh. Now, time is 12:30 and I'm going to be out here all day, so we got about 5 hours to be fishing out here. Walk is only about 3 minutes, so let's get the rods down and catch a lake trout. This thing's called an Aquaview Micro. You've probably seen me use it a few times. You know, some people think, oh, this is cheating. Why would you put a camera down there? Once you do it, you never really want to go back. We're hopefully going to see if we can watch a lake trout bite our bait. Or hopefully we can catch one today. Yeah. I mean, like, the weather seems pretty good. I know, like, there's a weather advisory and everything, and it is bad on the road. But I don't care. I'm in my hut. Hut and happy. We got one. Okay, so one just came in. I completely missed it. The GoPro turned off. So my hope is here. Everything is... Oh man, okay. I'm just trying to do this quickly in case the guy comes back. Well, there's certainly fish down there. I just got robbed. Okay, hold on. I have another one rigged up, ready to go. So, let's see. What is that? What is it? What is it? Oh my god, I have something. What is that? A lake trout! Yes! 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 Well, bam! Where's my camera? Oh, it's way up here. Oh, come here. Wow! Wow, I did it. I did it. Let's get this hook out of your face. Oh my god, yes. Let me show the camera. He's so ready to go. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at it. Little guy. We're looking for its mama. But we did it. We can cross that fish off the list. Boom, ba-doom, boom. Love that. Love that for me. Oh, there's a lot less weight to it. I thought it was, I don't know, because I thought it was gonna be huge. It was obviously not huge. We didn't get skunked. Got a lake trout. I wish you need to get a big lake trout. Kind of look like a burbot for some reason. I don't know why. Ah, it's cool. So cool. So cool. Oh. Now, doesn't seem like they're interested in the dead or the live baits over there. Alright, it's only been 2 hours since I've been out here, and I've had like 4 encounters with fish. So this is really, really good news. And I think we're about due for another one to come in. And they're pretty cool, because like, you be sitting here in like hopelessness in the darkness, and then they just zoom out of the darkness like a rocket. And then they'll strike, bah! And if they don't like it, they'll... So you got one go. Maybe two goes. But you just gotta keep moving it. Keep jigging. And until one comes zooming, rocketing out of the darkness. There's definitely one in the area. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, he's looking at me. Here he comes. No! 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 Oh, what? What? Oh, what? That's frustrating. Oh. Ain't no way. You do me like that. You do me like that. Shade. Oh. Frig off, Ricky. Now we got this place smelling like feet. Yeah, but that's alright though. I like how this works, man. You get like 20-minute intervals between fish. So like a fish comes in, checks you out, strikes at you, fucks off. I keep messing it up, so. But then yeah, you get a dead area, a dead time, and then another one drifts in, they strike, yeah. So I'm just waiting for the next one to float in and for my socks to dry. Oh, I'm in my bare feet. Oh, I'm in my bare feet. Oh, it's a perch. Oh, you bastard. You bastard. You bastard. Get in there. Oh. Oh, fuck, that sucks. Think on that one, did I? You guys are not priority anymore. You are. Oh. Oh, that sucked. I was like, that could be the big one. That could be the big one. Oh, yeah, that was not pleasant. Well, that's it. That's all she wrote for today. Couldn't catch a good one, so I will be going back because that was an excellent spot. I'm gonna go next time there's a really deep freeze, because as you've seen there, there was a good layer of slush underneath that snow, and my feet are very wet right now. So wait for the next time we go out. I'll bring out the ice boys, and Oh, and I got a tournament coming up, searching for more lake trout and whitefish out on Lake Simcoe. So stick around for that. It's all gonna happen soon. I'll see you next time.